Welcome to the Home Decor channel, your one stop space for stylish, creative, and aesthetic living. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of wall decor, a topic that may seem simple, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to transform any living space. Before we decorate a wall, it's important to understand the type of wall you are working with. Each type offers different possibilities and limitations. Plain painted walls, the most common. These are like blank canvases waiting for creativity, perfect for hanging arts, shelves, or even murals. Textured walls. These include bricks walls, cement finishes, or stone claddings. They offer natural character and often require minimal decorations. Panel walls. Wood or PVC paneling can add depth and warmth to a room. These are already statement pieces and pair well with soft lighting or minimal art. Wallpapered walls. With endless patterns and textures, wallpapers offer dramatic transformation. They often work best with neutral or simple decor on top. Tile bulbs. Popular in bathrooms and kitchens, but now used in living areas too, especially with designer tiles like Moroccan or mosaic tiles. Now that we know the foundation, let's talk about how to bring walls to life. Wall decor is not just about hanging pictures, it's about expressing your style, story, and energy. Let's explore the most popular and creative options. Wall art. Wall art is timeless. It can be a single large painting or a collection of smaller framed prints. Canvas art, abstract or landscape canvas paintings work beautifully in living rooms. Gallery walls, a collection of photos, quotes, or illustrations arranged in a grid or random patterns. Great for personalizing a hallway or staircase. Metal art. Intricate metallic pieces bring a modern and industrial vibe. These are bold and stylish, perfect for contemporary spaces. Framed quotes or typography, inspirational or witty quotes framed in minimal designs add charm to offices or bedrooms. Wall hangings, macramé art, hand-woven designs made with rubber yarn, best for boho or earthy interiors. Tapestries, these fabric-based designs bring color and softness, ideal for cozy bedrooms or relaxed lounges. Woven baskets or plates. Hanging multiple hand woven baskets adds a rustic and cultural feel to a plain wall. Wall clocks, oversized designer wall clocks double as decor and utility, especially in dining areas or entrances. Mirrors are magical. Not only do they serve a purpose, but they also create the illusion of more space and light. Round framed mirrors, soft and elegant, great for minimalist homes. Geometric mirrors, bold and artistic, suitable for modern decor themes. Antique mirrors with vintage frames, ideal for a reader of vintage settings. Shelves and storage, functional and decorative. Floating shelves, minimalist yet effective for books, vases, or candles. Box shells or cubes. These add dimension and are great for showcasing small collectibles. Ladder racks, stylish alternatives that lean against the wall, offering a space for throws, towels, or plants. Wall designs and accents. Sometimes the wall itself becomes art. Let's talk about design techniques that turn plain walls into design statements. Accent walls. Pick one wall in the room and treat it differently. Use paint, wallpaper tiles, or paneling. Painted accent wall. Choose a bold or dark color to make it stand out. Wallpapered accent walls. Use floral, geometric, or artistic patterns. Wood panel walls. These are warm and timeless, suitable for bedrooms or cozy living rooms. Wall decor is not just decoration, it's self expression. Whether you want to make your space look elegant, cozy, modern, or artistic,